Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now, here we'll go to the tutorial 2 on the game building using the Construct 2 software. After we have built these kind of things here, then we want to add some stairs for it. So, for example, we want to add something like this. These yellow stairs. So, what should you do to make the stairs to run it properly? For example, you can see here, here is the stairs, and then you can jump through it. See, you can jump over it. So now we will teach you how to make the stair. First of all, double click it, and then select the iPad, insert it, and somewhere else to click in and make it to be yellow. Okay. So need to be like the stairs straight. Okay, and then we put this kind of thing away so that we can have more space to put the stairs here. And then we change the name to be stairs. Okay, so drag it over, and then the third one. Okay. So we built the shape already, but then if we keep on like this and we did not add some properties behaviors, then it will not work. Add the behaviors, click it add, and then we have to jump through it so that it will allow the player to jump over it. Alright. Then we test it. Okay. See, it will work properly. Good. The second thing we want to add is the block that can continue to move. Can you see this green thing? It will keep on moving from the left to right, right to left, etc. How to make it? It's quite easy and simple. Double click the gray area and then make it to be an iPad, insert it, and then in the green color. Alright. Right here, and then put aside this. Alright, and the behaviors we set to be the side function, and then it will keep on moving from horizontally. So let's test it. Oh, why? Because you haven't added to be the solid button, so that when the player jump it, then it did not detect it in the platform or the solid, then it will drag forward. So we have to make it to be a solid, so that I can stick on it. Okay, so test it again. See? And now I can stay onto this green thing, and then we can clean. Okay? It's quite easy. If you like my video, please like and subscribe it. Thank you.